this video, let's talk about our Land Rover wheel spacers safe for off-roading. Let's go. As long as you use quality wheel spacers and install them properly to prevent flexing and loss of clamp force, they are very safe and reliable for off-road. In fact, Land Rover wheel spacers make no difference as wheels with a negative offset. When the wheel nuts are correctly tightened, they will strengthen elastically to keep everything in the right place. If they are torqued properly, they will never come off. According to the mechanical structure of wheels, half-century wheel spacers are better than like-century ones. Besides, half-century wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle's weight and fill the gap for a more tightly fit, reducing vibration. If you are looking to upgrade the wheels with good Land Rover Discovery wheel spacers, then look no further than Bonus. Bonus manufactures a huge range of Land Rover Discovery wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheel and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are fuller more than 66 SGSTV test approved. All Bonus Land Rover Discovery wheel spacers package come complete with all necessary hardware, including the ISO grade 10 wheel nut or ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud to fit your vehicle. All Bonus Land Rover Discovery wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision Land Rover Discovery wheel spacers provide high surface integrity. Efficiency guarantees safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience. Bonus off-road wheel spacers are made of a highest quality forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum. Both forged aluminum 6061T6 and 7075T6 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear-resistant characteristic. Even facing impact, they are not easier to break. The continuously forging adds superior mechanical and physical properties created by heat and pressure. They are high strength for safety and security, and very suitable for long-term applications. If you want to get the Land Rover wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.